Hi guys, I'm here for kind of a tutorial and review. One thing I wanted to share with you guys is one of my favorite things for just the spring and summer. One of which is OPI's Shatters. So it all started with this Katy Perry OPI Black Shatter. This is like the most amazing one of all the shatters I have. And I have a pretty amazing story of how I got this. So, a while back when the Katy Perry collection came about, it was, the teenage dream, last Friday night, not like the movies. And one of them was this black shatter. And this was definitely the hardest one to find. It was like back ordered, like no stores had it, like it was so hard to find. I tried Ulta, I tried Beauty Planet, or Planet Beauty, like all these places. I seriously went to like 5 different Ultas, like so many different places. It's not even funny. But funny thing is, I just walked into a little Asian nail place, beauty place, right by my CVS, and I was the first person to find it. And it was like really early in the morning, and they had like a whole display full of them, and I was like, ah, oh my gosh! So I picked up like two, but I got them for retail like 8.50, like how much most stores sell them for. But my boyfriend knew I was looking for them, and he called around because it was my birthday, and he's like a manly guy who plays sports and likes basketball and like, he's, definitely not the type to go to a beauty store, but he found one and he talked to a guy that worked at Ulta, and I don't think they're supposed to save because none of the girls saved it for me, but that guy, who I think happened to be gay, offered to save him a couple black shatters. So my boyfriend Derek got black shatters for me around the same time as I found my black shatters. So I ended up giving the ones that I found away as presents because they were so hard to find at the time, and I kept the ones that my boyfriend got me because they were more sentimental. Um, but anyways, yeah, now these are really easy to find. They're pretty sure in their permanent line now because I see them all over. They are not rare anymore, so I'm kind of sad. But I bought a bunch when they were rare, and I was giving them as presents because I thought it'd be cool, like ooh, black shatter. But yeah, this still is my favorite out of all the shatters I have. Um, so I want to do a little review. So China Glaze, they also have a shatter collection, but theirs is called Crackle Glaze. They have, I think, around 5 or 6 colors. They have teal, that is called Crushed Candy. They have a white called Lightning Bolt. They have kind of a bright Barbie pink. It's called Broken Hearted. And I know they have a gray, a purple, and maybe other colors too, but I only thought I would invest in these. So these are around $6 at, Salad Beauty Supply and Ulta. You get them at the little Asian nail places for maybe cheaper, but yeah. Compared to OPI, I do like OPI better. Sometimes with these you have to be a lot better with the hand of how you apply it. You really have to watch your layers with this because sometimes it can come out like if you put too thick of a layer, it'll come out just a bold color. If you put too thin, it'll look really streaky and not crackly, more just like you just had a really crappy brush and just went over your nail, like really streaky, stringly. I don't know, but yeah, I do like the OPI better. But for the OPI, I have all the shatters that OPI has because one, I'm obsessed with OPI. Two, I'm obsessed with shatters. Three, I'm just obsessed with nail polish in general, and it's horrible. And when I was moving from my apartment back home for the summer, the heaviest thing out of all of my things wasn't like kitchen stuff, wasn't like, I don't know, furniture. I only had like a table, but it was nail polish. It was my nail polish bag. So much nail polish, so I'm bound to do a review on my favorite nail polishes or just my collection soon, so look forward to that, but I wanted to just start small and start with the shatters. So anyways, I'm going to review these in the order they came out. So of course, first one is Black Shatter. OPI Katy Perry collection. This also came out in a Serena Williams collection with like a neon green one. Then another thing that came out was this Silver Shatter. This was pretty hard to find as well. This was in the Pirates of the Caribbean collection, Stranger Tides. I got all of the Pirates of the Caribbean ones, so if you want to see a review on those, I don't know, comment below. The collection had a lot of pretty pastels, so there's pastel, like minty color, pink, pastel purple, kind of a green, ooh, like this tissue box, and then there's like a bone color. But yeah, the really pretty collection. So yeah, the Silver Shatter, one thing that I do like about it is that it's shimmery, so if you could tell, there's flecks. It's not just like a solid silver, as opposed to the black that's like a solid black. One thing you want to do with the black, you want to put a top coat over it because it'll give it more of a sheen, and it will look, doesn't look very good matte, but it looks really good with a shimmer, or either really thin glitter gloss over top or just top coat. But yeah, this one comes out very shimmery, so it's pretty. It looks good over pastels, not so much over, I don't know what I was going to say. This one looks good over most colors. Pastels, really dark colors. My favorite is over black or over pastel, like pinkish, purplish. Then there's this collection. So this is the blue collection. So it came in a dark navy. It looks black. So compare it to the black. It looks black in the bottle, right? Looks like the same. But in light, it almost looks like a purple, but it comes out navy. So, I did swatches for you guys on my nails. This is this one. So it's a dark blue. Then, there's these two. They're just so pretty. Really glossy colors. So this is, Blue Shatter, and this is Turquoise Shatter. Turquoise Shatter, Blue Shatter. This one is the Turquoise Shatter. Oh, no, this one. And as you can see, it's really pretty. This one didn't crack very well. And this is the blue. This one cracked very well. That's a pretty color. They're both really pretty colors, really bright. They look good over like a black, neon colors. They look really great over. Not too much that these actually look good over. Like sometimes maybe a pink, like if you get a pink like that with that. But it just depends on what color you like. The navy shatter, it looks good over, I don't know, not this. It's like I have a pink over this, or under this, but maybe a white or a yellow even. Anything that would make it pop, that would just contrast with this. Then, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth OPI shatter that they have out is this bright red. This came out with the Serena Williams collection too. It came in a pack, or you can buy it separately with the Serena Williams, like it's like a goldish, flecky, pinky color. But honestly, this is probably my least favorite because I'm not a big red fan. You won't really see me wearing red that often. But this is what this one looks like. This one cracks really well though. It has a different consistency than the other shatters. I almost feel like it's thinner or like more jelly. So this one really goes well with, or really goes on well. But one thing that I really like about the black shatter that I haven't mentioned, that it looks great over glitter. This and this did not look good over glitter. for some reason the silver will not shatter if it's over glitter. So I love putting this over Teenage Dream, like the Katy Perry like pinkish glitter. It's just so pretty. Also, say like China Glaze's fairy dust. This looks really good over that. Like a color, and then the fairy dust, and then this. But yeah, I love the black because it is able to go over glitter. Lastly, all these brands are coming out with shatters and crackles and stuff, but I saw the Sally Hansen nail polish at CVS, and it is in antique gold number 06. I wanted to see how it compares with my wonderful OPIs and my OK China Glazes, but you know, it hangs in there. It's alright. It's not the best, but I just picked up the gold because I didn't have any other gold shatters, and OPI hasn't come out with the gold yet. But this is what the gold looks like. So it's also very similar to the silver, so it's these two. This is the gold, this is the silver, OPI silver, and then the gold crackle by Sally Hansen. So I mean, it works well. It's a lot cheaper. Actually had a CVS coupon, and it was like $2 or $3 off this, so I ended up getting it for $2 or something. So that was worth it. Just to try out and review for you guys. So overall, this is already like 12-minute video, but yeah, I love my OPI shatters. If you're gonna invest in any of them, for sure, just get the black. This looks good over anything. These, you know, not so much. I mean, go for the silver if you want something unique, but unless you really love your blues and you really love your reds, then you could go for those. If you can, I would say try to stick to OPI if it's in your budget. But if not, these are a good dupe for it. There's also an OPI white in a Serena Williams collection that comes with a glitter. But, you know, I just didn't need to buy it if I already had this. And plus, I don't really like the white crackle or shatter too much because it looks like whiteout. A little bit. It looks like kind of cheapy whiteout. But, you know, if you find a good color, I'm sure it'll look good with it. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I showed you the swatches for this, but... Oh! This one is the mint color, crushed candy, and then this one is the pink China Glaze, which is broken hearted. So as you can tell, they cracked pretty well. The pink actually cracked really well today. Usually it doesn't crack this well. But yeah, just wanted to review all these for you. Yay, OPI! It's my favorite. But yeah. Go for the black shatter, it's the best. Hope this is helpful. Sorry it's so long, but just wanted to like share my 2 cents in, you know, all of these nail polishes. Oh my gosh, what a mess. But you know that, you know, after buying all of these, if it helps just to buy 1 or 2 of them, that would save you a lot of money. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Take care and enjoy, and hope you have a great day. Bye!